Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from an old Kindle to a new Kindle, detailed guide step-by-step click. To transfer data from an old Kindle to a new Kindle, begin by turning on both your old and new Kindle devices. Ensure that both Kindles are connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
On your old Kindle, open the Settings menu. In the Settings, tap on My Account. Check that your old Kindle is registered to the correct Amazon account. Next, ensure that all content on your old Kindle is synced to your Amazon account.
To do this, go back to the home screen and select Sync My Kindle.
Once syncing is complete, take your new Kindle and turn it on. Sign in to the same Amazon account that is linked to your old Kindle.
During the setup process, your new Kindle will connect to the Wi-Fi network.
After registering your new Kindle, it will automatically sync with your Amazon account.
This sync will populate your new Kindle with all the content and books from your old Kindle. If some content doesn't automatically appear, navigate to the Library section on your new Kindle. Look for the Cloud tab, where you will find all your purchased content.
Select any books or items that you want to download to your new Kindle.
Tap on the book or item to initiate the download process.
Wait for your content to download completely.
Once the download is finished, you can access your books directly from the home screen. If you have personal documents that are not in your Kindle library, you will need to transfer them manually. To do this, connect your old Kindle to your computer using a USB cable. Locate the Documents folder on your old Kindle's drive. Copy the documents that you wish to transfer to your computer. Next, disconnect your old Kindle and connect your new Kindle to the computer. Open the Documents folder on your new Kindle's drive. Paste the previously copied documents into this folder. Safely eject your new Kindle from the computer. Disconnect the USB cable and turn on your new Kindle. Open the Documents section to check that your files have transferred successfully. Your new Kindle should now contain all your previous content and personal documents. Enjoy reading on your new Kindle with all your favorite titles readily available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.